So two arrays are given, and those are sorted, and those are having integers in them, and we have to create a third one, which also should be sorted, and that's basically it. We need the lenses of those two arrays, and I'm gonna call those AL and BL. The first one is gonna be the length of the first array, and the second one is gonna be the length of the second array. Right. We also want to have a length of this final array, which we'll create in a second. And yeah, so let's go through those two arrays simultaneously by using two pointers. Yeah, and we'll call those as usual I and J, and we're gonna have those conditions, which are gonna be that the first index shouldn't be more than a length of the first array, and at the same time we don't want to the second point go out from the second array. So this is going to be those should be less than the length of the arrays. Yeah, and that's basically it. So I'm gonna call the first element, the element for the first array, A. It's gonna be -1 E, and I'm gonna call the second, the element from the second array, B. Then we'll just check if the element from the first array is less or equal. It's crucial here, is less than B. Then we're gonna update an array with this A element, the lowest element. Yeah, so why it's this equal sign here is that it's not said that we are having different items in those two arrays. So yeah, they can be the same, right? We can have the same thing in both arrays, and at this moment we'll just add them. We'll add this thing from the first array, and then we'll add the same from the second array. Not a problem. Yeah, and after that we want to increase the first pointer, and it should go further. Here is gonna yeah, we're doing the same thing, and in this case we're moving the second pointer further. So yeah, basically we'll go through those two arrays simultaneously, and we'll be getting the smallest of those two elements. Yeah, and yeah, we'll just go from there through them, and we'll add like those the elements from those two arrays in the exponential order. So yeah, and at some point we'll hit in the end of the sum array of one of those arrays, and something will left from one of those arrays, and we want to check it. And we'll use the same condition which we had there, and we're gonna add I don't have a here, so I'm gonna use just without the alias, you know. I'm gonna get it without an alias, and you're gonna have EI here, and which is local here, and actually it should be 0 and 0 at the beginning. Yeah, and it will increase, and that will we need those actual values, so I'll make them those global. You have this, yeah. We'll update all those. We'll add all those numbers which are left, if those are left there. We'll make this check for the second array as well. I mean, we will have something left from the first or from the second, from the second arrays, and we'll just add this what's left after that, because those items will be more larger than the items we're already added, so they're going to the end of this final array. And finally, we wanna check if our array is even, yeah. If the number of items which are in the final array are even, is even, then we want to add we want to add those two items, those two middle items. So we're taking those two middle items because we don't have this one single middle item. We're taking two middle items, we're adding them, and we're dividing them by 2, and we're getting the median. That's it. And if the items is the number of items are odd, we want to just return float 64, and we just cast in this middle single element, and that's it. Yeah, and you have to return this float 64 type number type. Yeah, that's basically it. So just to explain once again, we're having those two arrays. Let's say nums 1 is going to be 4, 7, 9, 11, and nums 2 is going to be 1, 2, 4, and 12. I don't know. At that point, we're gonna have 1, 2, 4, 4, 7, 9. Yeah. So the third, our final array is gonna be equal to. Let me just start from here. 1, 2, 4, 4, 7, 9, 11, 12, and median is going to be 4 plus 7, which is going to be 11 divided to 2, and median is going to be 5.5. yeah, if you have, let's say, 7 elements, well, it's gonna take only 7, and it's gonna be, the median is gonna be 7. That's it. Yeah, let's run it. Probably I'm missing something. Yeah, correct. So, right. Yeah, R is gonna be slides, dynamic array. APP, which you're developing a web application or something. Yeah, funny. Come on, what's going on? Alright, band array nums to J. Oh my. So yeah, here I wanna add increase I and J respectively. Yeah, now it works. Should work. Let's submit it. Great. Pretty fast. Yeah, this is it.